Hi YouTube fam, my name is Roxy and on this channel we talk about everything money.
Before we jump into today's topic, if you will go ahead and subscribe if you are new here, hit that notification bell to stay abreast on new uploads, and feel free to drop a comment, like, and share so that we can help reach others that may benefit from this content as well. And again, I do thank you.
Hi everyone, we're going to start off with a scripture for today. Let your faith be bigger than your fear. Hebrews 13:16. 3 companies that supplies equipment. BroadPath, number 1. BroadPath provides organizations in healthcare, financial services, travel, and hospitality and high growth industries with managed remote teams of skilled professionals. So if you join their team, they have so many different positions you could definitely apply for, okay? You will start seeing them scroll up on the screen here. But if you are someone who loves to talk on the phone with that customer service, hey, how are you doing today? I'm doing well. How can I help you? If that is you, we have a position for you here. If you like to just do your own research and be left alone, we have a position for you as well. If you would like to just be a part of the IT team to, do that IT techie stuff. That's not me. See, I can't even find the words for it because that's not me. But we have a position for you as well. If you're like a work analyst, we have a position for you. Engineer position for you. The positions here are completely endless, okay? And they're all work from home. So I'm going to leave that link so that you could go ahead and decipher through what you would like to do. Also, we have sales, all different types of position here. So I'm going to leave the link for you to go ahead and decipher for, or through what you would like to do. And you can go ahead and apply. This company, like I said in the beginning, provides all of the equipment. You may have to get one monitor, but for the most part, they provide everything else for you. Okay? Next up, we do have Assurant coming in at number 2. At Assurant, we figure out what's stopping the business and consumers we serve and find ways to keep them moving forward. We have a reputation for introducing new ideas to the marketplace that turn insight into competitive advantage. With decades of experience to draw upon, we're well prepared to anticipate our clients and challenges, okay? And again, this is another one that provides equipment and so many different opportunities here as well. Just to name a few: Associate Special Investigator, okay? That's a role there, and it's virtual. It says Florida, but I'm pretty sure you could work this anywhere in the United States because I did select United States jobs. Again, everyone, please note that I am going to post the links to the positions down below, okay? You have the Fraud Data and Triage Analyst. If you are somebody that loves to catch someone doing something they don't have no business doing, that position is for you. The Senior Solution Architect. We have gotta love our architects, okay? The Automotive E-commerce Specialist. There you go. I mean, the positions here are endless. They have customer service positions as well if you would like to be on the phones. We have processing specialist positions when you just process information. As well, so that's that you don't have to really be on the phone talking to the customers, but you may have to call out to talk to like the insurance company or the agent. So you don't have to really be on the phone talking to customers, and you will be processing the information accordingly. Okay, we got the workforce analyst. I can never talk. I get so excited, but that process assurance analyst that I was telling you about. We have bilingual positions here as well, okay? So please just look through the career section and just find what is going to be your fit and apply. Okay, so we have Pearl Interactive Network Company, okay? And they provide beneficiaries, employees, and people requiring healthcare, government, and commercial services, all right? And I've actually worked for this company before, and it is a government job as well. You're dealing with military, all right? And to skim down to the positions that they have available, they have plenty to offer as well. They have the bilingual call center supervisor. This is remote as well. Okay. And you can do this anywhere in the U.S. They have the VBA customer service coordinator, the military and family life counselor, triage consultant, the provider support advocate supervisor, and more. Okay. Also, they have positions outside of the United States as well. So you could work anywhere in the world.
You get to cry. Thank you.
For those who stuck around this long, I will give you a bonus tip on that typingtest.com site I told you about in a previous video. You will see how it looks whenever you log in and get ready to take your test, okay? So stay tuned for that. Thank you. So you'll go ahead and click on the 1-minute test and you'll hit start test. Then you'll just start typing here. All right, so once you're done doing that, you'll hit close. And it'll analyze your results. And see how you got 48 words per minute at 100% accuracy. And then it has a net speed as well. It's 58 words per minute. If you want to retake the test, you can go ahead and retake the test and all of that great stuff as well, okay? But just want to show you how this tool works. And this is a good way to get your typing skills up, okay? Thank you so much for watching. And as always, please share, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And have a great day.